Happy day, students. Today we are going to see a video on class 4 computer science. This video is on lesson 3 working with Windows. So what are we going to see in this lesson? We are going to see the features, how to start, what is file folders, creating a file folder and opening it, and using of context menu, and what is shortcut. Learning outcome of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will all be able to understand about the features of Windows, and you will also be familiarized about desktop screen and also key files and folders operations like creating, opening and shortcut icons. Let's get into the lesson, students. Refreshing your memory. So do you all know what is Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows is an operating system, and it is a graphical user interface, which is also called as GUI. What is GUI? Graphical user interface, and it is also called as GUI. And this Microsoft Windows, it is the graphical user interface between a computer and its user. Now, can you all see my screen? Can you see a man who is smiling on the screen? Hope you all know who it is. Yes? Yes. He is Bill Gates. He is the owner of the Microsoft company. He is the owner of the Microsoft company, and he is also one of the world richest man. And on the right hand side, you can see a flag. What is that? It is the symbol of Microsoft Windows. Now, what are the features? What are the benefits you will get when you are using these Microsoft Windows? Because it is very attractive and easy to use. That's really very important. And it is fast, smart and safe. Fast, smart and safety is also important. Easy search. That's also important. And supports multitasking and maintaining personalized work environment. So what does it say? It supports multitasking. Multitasking means what? Windows can perform more than one task at a time. So multi means more than one. So two or more. Okay. And next one, it supports global connectivity. That means we can connect with the people around the world. That's called as a global connectivity. And jump list. There is also a jump list which provides a list of recently used visited documents. So you don't have to get inside to, go look into the documents which you have used recently. There's a list called jump list which provides you a direct route to use the recently visited documents. What is this? This is a Windows home screen. So Windows home screen is also called as what? Desktop screen. Right. So what is desktop screen? When you switch on the computer for the first time, that is when you're on the system. Okay. When you're switching on your monitor and the first screen which appears. Okay. What is that called as? Desktop screen. Good. And below there is a long bar at the bottom. What is it called as? Taskbar. So it is a long bar. What does it have? It has start button on the left hand side and notification area on the right hand side. So what is the use of start button? When you click on the start button, you get most of the, like it is the most used Windows desktop. When we click on the start button, what happens? Your menu displays and you have lots of options. The main programs of the computers are all in the start button. So on the notification area, what do you see on the notification area? Usually we see like, clocks and icons, and especially like antivirus program, you can all pin to the taskbar easily. Okay. Now, let me come to the top. On the left hand side, the icon. What is it? My computer. So what is it? What is icon actually? The labeled picture one is called as an icons. Yes. So my computer icon. What does it say? It says about the all the or whatever the folder which we are accessing and the files all are stored inside the my computer, and we can also find, organize, move, copy files in the computer. Okay, next one is shortcut. We are going to learn about the shortcut icon in detail in this lesson. And next one is the Folder. So what is a folder? It is like a cabinet where it holds all the files which we have in it. Okay. And this is the Windows Explorer screen. That is the Windows Explorer window. Okay. What is that we all see in this window? So what all its features on? Okay. I'll come from the top, from bottom to the top option. So first, can you see left pane? And on the right hand side, can you see an option below which is called right pane? Left side of is called as a left pane and right side is called as right pane. That is, Windows screen is divided into two. Okay, left side is left pane, right is right pane. Now navigation pane. So what is navigation pane? It's a pane which shows you what all the various drives and folders you have it inside the Windows Explorer, where with the scroll bar we can just move up and down and view various files and folders which is inside the pane. So what all the items which is there in the navigation pane, various files and folder. Okay, next one we'll see the subfolder. What is a subfolder? A folder inside a folder. Two folders inside it. You have a folder and you have one more folder inside it. What is it called as? Subfolder. Like you have class 4 and lots of sections, subsections. Like in class 4, common, it is common and A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. Like that, folder inside a folder is called a subfolder. Okay. Now, detailed pane. What does it give? It displays the files and in the current folders and what is the time and what is the time we have modified, what is the size of that particular file or a folder, all the details. It gives it the list of it for all the software. To create a shortcut the same way, right click on the blank area. That is, you can select any folder or a file, right click it. Like, can you see the step 3? Click this text. Below this folder, there's an option called shortcut. So like that, if you click on any, okay, and right click it, there will be an option. First, you need to choose the place and then click on shortcut. It will automatically create a shortcut. Can you see a small arrow? That's called as a jump arrow, where it will be jumped into the direct route. Context menu. What is context menu? It is also like a shortcut menu. Using this, we can save our time accessing the commands. So how do we do it? Right click on the blank area and there will be an option called Systems Tools. Lots of options will come. You can click onto it and you can go to it directly. Next one. Right clicking in the blank area of desktop. Okay, the options of right clicking in the blank area of desktop. So what are the options you can see in it? So how do we right click it? There is an option called personalize. By using this personalize option, there are various options like changing your desktop, sounds, screensaver, and many things are there. You wanted to give a colorful picture, or if you know what is screensaver. There are many pictures where you can choose the theme and you can utilize it. So these are the various options of the right clicking on the blank area. Okay. So hope you all must have understood this lesson about working with Windows. Thank you, students. See you in another video. You all have a great day.